Imagine building a life where you're your own boss, setting your own schedule, and earning while doing something you love. At Camper Maintenance Training Institute, we'll teach you the skills to start your own camper maintenance business in just 5 days. Whether you dream of financial freedom or want to turn your passion into a profession, our hands-on training gives you everything you need to succeed. No prior experience required. And for camper owners, this course is a game changer. Learn how to maintain your camper yourself and save hundreds, even thousands on repairs. It's your chance to protect your investment while gaining confidence and skills that last a lifetime. Classes are held at one of the highest-rated campgrounds in the country, Cummins Ferry RV Resort in Salvisa, Kentucky, where you can stay while you attend the 5-day course. On-site amenities include a crystal-clear swimming pool, live bands and food trucks on the weekends, dog park, and fishing from a 100-foot marina with boat ramp directly on the Kentucky River. Join a growing community of entrepreneurs and camper enthusiasts who have taken control of their futures. The road to freedom starts here. Visit cmtionline.com to learn more and secure your spot today. Camper Maintenance Training Institute. Your journey to independence starts now.